Good morning, welcome back to Sebring International Raceway and Powered by 8 Racing YouTube channel. We are here again with NASA for our last event of the season. We have a full paddock of Corvettes with us. Bunch of spec Corvette guys, some racing and some are just here to get their experience. So we got me, we've got Blown Up Brian, we've got Cecil, we've got another Brian, we've got Ian, Frank's car's over there, and I forget his name, but he's here too. And then we've got Mike over here who is gonna come park over here as soon as he's done playing around with his toys. Anyways, we have a driver's meeting in a couple minutes, so I am going to get my stuff ready because, as we know, the morning schedule with NASA is tight. So we go to our driver's meeting, we get out of our driver's meeting, we get in our cars, and we need to get to grid because it's first come. Disrespect. So it's first come, first serve. So we need to get there early or else we will be stuck in traffic for qualifying. So let's do that. I will see you hopefully at the driver's meeting.
Powered by 8.
Meeting. It's kind of chilly. Kind of want to get a jacket or something, but oh well. We'll just let it roll. You're late.
How you doing, man? I was trying to get here later.
It's Mike. Do you know Mike?
Nice to meet you, man.
Lewis.
Nice to meet you.
I want to
get here later.
I wanted to get here late too and miss it all. Hold your breath, you won't catch COVID.
We're all in here. You stop fucking texting already.
You want me to tear half? Thank you. I got. Oh, I got.
Thanks. quite the cluster there. You saw there was a Trans Am car that was pretty much broken down in turn 1. I think he broke when he came into the track, so it screwed up everybody else. But grid worked itself out, so I'll be starting in P3, which is where I should be based off of historic lap time, so it's okay. We all had to mess with those cars. So anyways, that was session 1, or warm-up qualifying, so we'll go out session 1 and we'll really see what happens. Car's getting a very bad vibration. It's vibrating really bad between 3,500 or below 3,500. It's vibrating pretty bad, so I think the torque tubes might be going, so we'll fix that and as soon as this event's done. So all right, we'll see you back on the track. All right, well, that's quite the excitement. That's another record in the books. So beat the other record by a second, I think. I'll have to look, but that was an 18.3 something. I'll look at Race Hero and I'll get that. And yeah, pretty exciting. I don't know if we got much more in it, but we got a couple more sessions. We'll definitely see what it'll do. All right, well, I'm gonna pull the data, send it off to our official so he can make sure everything's on the up and up, which of course it is. But anyways, let's do that and I will see you guys back on the track. All right, let's pull some data. Let's put this stuff over here, it's a mess in here. Let's get some data going over to George. All right, look, pulling data. V-Box is here.
Like the back. I got
So me on the passenger.
I need a 13 millimeter.
Got it.
Impact.
I didn't put shaft one in that easy.
Huh?
They didn't put shaft one in that fucking easy.
Sometimes.
13.
Goes on the impact. On the pit. Sometimes it goes in easy, sometimes it wants to punch the whole fucking way.
All right, let's see, data, copy. Copy. Connect.
You're on that side, right?
In the front, yeah, the back keeps on popping out. So yes, the front is a 4-inch on the stud.
So did you have one of their names in your car when you booked the record? Or?
No, I just emailed my data over to George.
Okay.
So
You gonna break it again or what?
I don't know.
Do you have stickers for this weekend?
No.
Oh,
No.
oh that's a happy second at least. Right?
I don't know. Maybe, I guess. It's
Dude,
just
I just had a horrible lap and I beat my best by 4/10.
I don't want to. I almost want to put air in. I was at 28 all the way around.
What?
My tires
When were you at 28?
coming off.
Oh yeah?
When I was like 28 square, like
Shit. I was like
know.
31, like
28.9, 28.1, 28.9, 28.1. So actually it's 28.5, 28.1, 28.5, 28.2.
I was at 31 with pretty cold tire. You know what I mean? Like it took.
I'm happy with the rear pressures. I'm not happy with the front pressure. I don't have
That's all you. You did go faster.
I know, so I don't
Make
want to
it
touch
cheaper.
it. I know. That's what I'm thinking too.
Did it feel good? Did it feel bad?
Mm-mm.
Sometimes lower, man. Remember when you were gonna check my pressures and I went out and did a warm up and then beat my best time?
Yeah.
I was on like 29,
Yeah.
28.
Yeah.
2 PSI
I know
lower.
past 30, like, it's not. For what we're doing, past 30 is not a good idea.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, I usually do like 31, but I don't know. Bro, in turn 1 in the braking zone, I almost put it on the grass. My car moved that much on me. Like the rear stepped out probably a foot.
yeah. Very good. Alright, so that's a wrap. Not the fastest run, but it would still have been faster than my previous record. Obviously, it wasn't an 18 like this morning session, but hey, we take what we can. It was about 20 degrees hotter, and that's what we get. So I knew this coming into this December event. It was going to be a very fast one because of the temperature that we have in Florida in the wintertime, which is usually not much humidity and a nice cool morning. And that's what we got, and it worked out perfect. So yeah, it was a pretty amazing day. We are going to go to the awards banquet so that we can see everybody, eat some food, and I will see you guys there.
Powered by the Ocho.